and it increased from 230% all the way up to 781.54%. All of this due to a compound interest investment. Hi there and welcome. My name is Errol Muller from errolmuller.com. I'm the owner of this website, and in this video I'm going to show you how to invest in a compound interest investment. What exactly is it? How do you go about it, and how do you get started? And closer to the end of this video, I'm going to share with you not just one investment, but literally how do you eliminate your risk to not put all your eggs. If you go look at all the wealthiest investors in the world, if you look at them and you have a look at what they say, they always says, don't put all of your eggs in one basket, never invest in one company, never invest in one stock, never invest in one, for instance, cryptocurrency, never invest in just one system, one program, never put all your eggs in one basket. Okay, so go look at Warren Buffett, Richard Branson, Donald Trump, Robert Kiyosaki. Go look at all those people. Same with property. If you do real estate, you don't literally just invest in one building, like one block of flats or just one house. No, you have 10, 20, 30, 40 houses, because it's all about eliminating the risk. And that is what I'm going to share with you closer to the end of this video. So please head over to my YouTube channel, or you are on YouTube. Go ahead, click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up to help push it up the rankings, so we can help more people and show them more compound interest investments and how to make money in general. So I'll bring you back to my website. What I want to do is I'm going to show you a calculator quickly, and I want to show you how this account goes from 230%, that is just average normal returns, up until 781.54%. Okay, so how do we go about that? Let me show you quickly. So if you want to, you'll have to be registered within this program if you want to use this calculator, and if you've invested money, you can literally play with this calculator and enter your amounts that you've invested. And I'm going to show you my investment now. So firstly, what is compound interest? Compound interest is when, let's say you invest $1, the next month you had a 10% increase, which is very possible, especially with this program. This program on average now provides at least 10 to 11% per month, not per annum, not per year, per month. With the instability in the markets right now, it is around about 8%. But when everything returns, then we'll start seeing the 15s again, 15% per month. Okay, big, huge disclaimer: I cannot guarantee any of the results or that you will achieve any of these results. Please do all of your research on your own regarding everything that I'm showing you. I'm just showing you my results. So compound interest is when you get interest on interest. So you invest $1, the next month you have, for instance, $1.10, because you got a 10% interest. So from $1.10, let's quickly do this. So you invested $1 plus 10 cent, and that gives you $1.1. Okay. Then you invested an entire $1.1, you gained another 10 cent. Now all of a sudden you are sitting with another 11 cents, so 1.1 plus 0.11. Now you're sitting with 1.21%. Okay, that is a very small example. So let's quickly go to, for instance, $1,000 plus plus $100, because that is 10%. That gives you $1,100. The next month you invest $1,100 plus or times another. 1,100 times another 10 cent, that gives you another $110. So you've got 110 plus $1,100, that gives you $1,210. So that is what compound interest is. Normal interest is where you literally you invest $1,000 and you literally just get 10% on that $1,000 every month. So what's 10% of $1,000? That is $100. So you will get $100. You will get $100 straight for the next 12 months. So that will give you $1,200 over 12 months, plus your initial investment of $1,000. That is $2,000. Now let me quickly show you the power of compounding and how this can change your life and your investments going forward. Let me show you. So, and then I'm also going to show you my results. So firstly, if you've invested, let's say $1,000 or 1,000 euros, this is in euros, so you can literally base your own currency in this calculator. Forget about the euros, just use your currency as an example. So euros 1,000, USD 1,000. I'm from South Africa, so 1,000 ZAR, so 1,000 rands for me, South African rands, or 1,000 pounds, whatever it might be, for example purposes. So let's say you invest 1,000 euros or 1,000 within your currency. We click update, and then there it will show you. So you started off the month with 1,000 euros. So look at the yield notes compounding, this section right here where it says yield notes compounded, because you want to reinvest all of your profits. First month 1,000. For the first month's gain, which is then the second month, is 1,098 euros or dollars. Then 1,228, then 1,382, then 1,559, then 17. As you can see, look at that curve. That is compound interest, the power of compound interest. And then forget about all the other ones. Literally just look at this, the top one, the one that says yield notes compounded. So over the course of 23 months, so if you calculate or combine all of this, this is 23 months. So over 23 months, if you invested $1,000 and you got all these returns, you would have seen a 230% increase. Okay, because on average that is 10%. Now, if you've reinvested all of your profits, this is where the power of compounding comes in. All of a sudden, you turned that $3,300 or that $1,000 or euros to 3,300. Instead of doing that, you've compounded. Now you've taken that 1,000, you've now turned it into 8,815. Look at that big difference of compound interest. This is a compound interest investment. That is exactly what this is. So let me quickly show you my results reports. I'm not going to delve too much into this. I've got numerous other videos where I show you all my results and why it's like this and so forth. So let's head to the dashboard. Firstly, my return on investment is 334 euros. There's a reason for that, and the total master noded balance is 2,773. I've got another deposit of 55 euros that are coming in, and then I've got another idle deposit, which is this. It's that $55 euros 60. Sorry, this is euros. So for the first week of July, we saw a gain of 2.1%. The second week, a gain of 1.4%, and for the third week, we saw another gain of 2%. That is crazy. That is already what 5.5% for this month alone. And then let's quickly go to reports. And then I want to show you. So these are all my months. The first month that I started, second month, third month, fourth month, and here's my gains. Now, as you can see, these are my returns, my percentages. These should have been way more. For the month of February, I deposited late. It would have been 19.2%, 19.2%. This month, it's slightly lower than what it was supposed to be. This month also lower than what it was supposed to be. This month was on target. This month was way lower than what it was supposed to be. And it's not the system, it's me. Let me show you why. So if I hover over any one of these exclamation marks, it will tell you profit for this period was lower than expected percentage due to late deposit. So what they do is they literally take all of your funds, depending on when your deposit came in, they do the calculation, and then they give you the interest on the interest percentage for your entire balance. So if I've invested, and so I made a deposit in this month, I made a deposit in this month, I did not make a deposit in this month, and then I made another huge deposit in this month. As you can see, here's the master noded balance: 500 euros, 800 euros, 900 euros, and then all of a sudden 2,600 euros master noded. Okay, so that is why if you've invested and you leave the money, you don't make any added deposit, then you'll gain the full interest. Although you still get the full interest, but just not on the total duration of that month, because it depends on when you've invested the funds. Okay, so I'm literally waiting in anticipation to see what the month of July has got in stock for us. And then yes, this is, if you are interested in compound investment, this is the program or the system for you. It's not an investment, it's not mining, it's something totally different. It's masternoding. Okay, so how do you get access to this? What you want to do is you want to head over to my website. There's something else that I want to show you. So why am I sharing my website with you? I've literally invested thousands of dollars. I've also wasted thousands of dollars, and I've made thousands of dollars. And I want to share with you, I don't want you to go through the same struggles that I went through. I want you to start on the right foot forward. So I've literally started this website to show you not just one source of income, because this right here is one source of income. This is multiple sources of income. So imagine you had not just one investment going, but you had like 3, 4, 5 investments going that are literally all of them returning between 5 to 15% up to 30% per month. And now all of a sudden you are eliminating your risk by literally investing in 5 different things, because that is what you want to do. You don't want to invest everything in one. So for instance, let's quickly go to forex trading. These are 2 very, very profitable robots, number 1 and number 2, that I highly suggest you pick up. You get them for yourself. I've even got a live stream that's running right now. I will share it on the top right hand side of this video right now with the information bell that will be popping up, where I've got a live stream running with one of these robots. I'm busy setting the other live stream up so you guys can follow with robot number 2, where I will start sharing the live trading account with robot 1 and 2. So 1 is running. I'll set up number 2 shortly for you as a live stream as well. It's literally a live account. It trades 24 hours every single day, Monday to Friday up until 12, and then I will then stop the live stream, and then I'll start another one Monday to Friday again. So you guys can literally see the account grow from $100 all the way to $10,000. I just want to show you the power of compounding and the power of multiple sources of income. Now, within these robots, you can even eliminate your risk even further. So what you want to do is then you don't invest in just one currency pair. You've got numerous currency pairs, because by just investing in one currency pair, you are literally putting all of your risk again in one currency pair, instead of eliminating the risk or lowering the risk to 3 or 4, 5 or 6 currency pairs. Next, cryptocurrency. So the program that we were on just now that I showed you with a compound interest, this is where you will get access to that. So where it says 5 to 15% per month, this is number 1. Enter your details, enter your email address, click the show me button, and then you can take it from there. So, and if you want to invest in more cryptocurrencies, like individually in cryptocurrencies, not masternoding, sorry, this is not investment into cryptocurrencies, it's masternoding. It's something totally different, but it does node into like cryptocurrencies. Not just that, numerous other things, but this is just one of the things. It's cryptocurrencies that it basically masternodes. Then you've got if you want to join an app where you can literally buy individual cryptocurrencies, I highly suggest you check this out. Click the show me, it will bring up a code, it will email that link to you, and then it's an app that you have to install on your phone. So please guys, it's an app for your phone. Then another way to eliminate your risk is by heading over, and literally this is where you start making passive income per month. And you can do it either through affiliate marketing, which is this link right here, or you can do it through okay, this is if you run your own business and you want more people, or not just your own business, if you've got a product that you want to market, or you've got services that you want to sell, anything like that, you would head over to this source right here. And then if you want to start your own online business from scratch, you have no idea how to do it, what to do, then this is for you, number 3. So that is why, and I'm still adding to this website, I'm going to add numerous pages on top where it's all related to multiple sources of income. So if there's one thing that I want you to take from this video, very, very, very important, is to have multiple sources of income and try to eliminate or keep your risk as low as possible. Hopefully this sinks in and you understand what I'm trying to do here, and the idea that I am trying to get across to you. How long has this stream been going? Not the stream, this video, 14 minutes. So hopefully you get the idea. In the comments below this video right now, let me know if you grasped the idea of what it is that I'm trying to share with you, the idea that I want to get across so bad. And if you get it, let me know in the comments below. Let me know, give me your thoughts, your comment on what you think I'm trying to get across to you by sharing all of this with you. So once again, thank you for watching another one of my videos. Hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video. If you found it valuable, please share this video. I appreciate you. Thank you for watching another video where you have a blessed, wonderful, financially successful, healthy, loving, just happy life going forward. And I will see you in my next awesome, valuable video. Enjoy.